Hi, if you are using Internet Explorer on your Windows PCs or laptop and you have lost your favorites bar for some reason, the first thing you can do is you probably by mistake or inadvertently press the Alt key, Alt key on your keyboard, which is located on the bottom left. Okay, and it's like a toggle, meaning you can turn your favorites bar off and on using Alt key. Let me show you where the Alt key is. It's right here. You see this Alt. So if you go back to your Internet Explorer and press the Alt key, you should get back your favorites bar. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, I'm gonna press Alt key. All right, one time. Here you go. Your favorite bar is back right here. Okay. So you press it again. You don't want to do that, but you press it again, Alt key, it will disappear. So Alt key one time, it will come back like that. So I think that's the easy fix for right now. Also, you can go to, let's see, I'm gonna make it disappear again. Okay, disappear, right? Now, if you right click on the top area here, right click, and you see your menu bar is off, right? It hasn't been checked. If you checked it here, okay, click on it, and you will see your first bar come back. Here you go. You see, it's come back. So at least a couple ways you can do it. All right, hope that helps, and have a good day enjoying your Internet Explorer. Bye for now.